The Hugli River, a sacred artery of life in West Bengal, India, holds within its watery embrace a treasure trove of stories. It whispers tales of ancient empires, colonial encounters, and the enduring spirit of a land steeped in history and natural beauty. Among the river's many gems, Hugli Chinsurah shines particularly bright. This district, a tapestry woven from the threads of diverse cultures and eras, beckons travelers to uncover its hidden depths. Hugli Chinsurah lies approximately 35 kilometers north of Kolkata, the bustling capital of West Bengal. It was once a prominent trading post coveted by European powers for its strategic location on the river. Today, it stands as a testament to the confluence of cultures that have shaped its identity. The district's charm lies in its ability to transport visitors back in time, offering glimpses into a bygone era while also showcasing the vibrancy of its contemporary life. Hugli Chinsurah is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a journey through time, a celebration of cultural fusion, and an immersion in the raw beauty of the Bengal landscape. Whether you are a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a unique travel experience, Hugli Chinsurah promises an unforgettable sojourn. So step ashore and let the stories of this captivating district unfold before you. The air in Hugli Chinsurah is thick with the whispers of history. For centuries, this strategic location on the Hugli River has been a prize fought over by empires, leaving behind an indelible mark on its landscape and its people. The district's story is a fascinating saga of conquest, trade, and cultural exchange.
The Dutch were among the first Europeans to establish a foothold in the region, drawn by the lucrative trade in textiles, spices, and opium. Their legacy is most visible in the town of Chinsurah, where grand colonial buildings, including the iconic Chinsurah Imambara, still stand as proud reminders of their reign. The Dutch period, spanning over 2 centuries, left an undeniable imprint on the town's architecture, cuisine, and even its name.
But the Dutch were not the only players in this historical drama. The Mughals under Emperor Shah Jahan also recognized the strategic importance of Hugli and established a fort there. Later, the British arrived, ultimately wresting control of the region from the Dutch and incorporating it into their growing empire. Each of these empires left behind a unique layer of history, evident in the architectural marvels, cultural practices, and even the local dialect. Beyond its historical grandeur, Hugli Chinsurah pulsates with a vibrant cultural tapestry woven from the threads of numerous traditions. The confluence of Dutch, British, Mughal, and indigenous Bengali influences has resulted in a rich and diverse cultural landscape that is both captivating and welcoming.
Festivals are an integral part of life in Hugli Chinsurah, offering a glimpse into the region's spiritual and social fabric. Durga Puja, the grandest festival in the Bengali calendar, sees the town come alive with elaborate pandals, devotional songs, and a contagious festive spirit. Other festivals like Holi, Diwali, and Eid are celebrated with equal fervor, showcasing the region's remarkable religious harmony. Food, too, plays a central role in Hugli Chinsurah's cultural identity. The local cuisine is a delectable fusion of Bengali staples with subtle Dutch and British influences. From the tangy mustard-based fish curry to the sweet and creamy mishti doi, the flavors of Hugli Chinsurah are sure to tantalize your taste buds. And no culinary journey here is complete without savoring the melt-in-your-mouth sweets like langsha and sitapog, testaments to the region's rich confectionery heritage.
The Hugli River is the lifeblood of Hugli Chinsurah, its ebb and flow dictating the rhythm of life in this enchanting district. Beyond its scenic beauty, the river plays a pivotal role in the region's economy, transportation, and cultural heritage. For generations, the people of Hugli Chinsurah have lived in harmony with the river, their lives intricately intertwined with its waters.
The river serves as a vital transportation artery connecting Hugli Chinsurah to Kolkata and other towns along its banks. Ferries, cargo ships, and fishing boats ply its waters, creating a bustling scene that speaks volumes about the river's economic significance. The fishing industry in particular provides sustenance and livelihood to a large segment of the population, with the river's bounty gracing tables and markets alike.
Beyond its economic contributions, the Hugli River is deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of Hugli Chinsurah. Religious ceremonies and rituals are often performed on its banks, with the river considered sacred by Hindus. The ghats, or steps leading down to the river, are not just places of religious significance but also serve as social hubs where people gather to bathe, wash clothes, or simply watch the world go by. While history and culture are integral to Hugli Chinsurah's identity, It is the region's breathtaking natural beauty that truly captivates the soul. From the serene banks of the Hugli River to the verdant countryside dotted with mango orchards and paddy fields, Hugli Chinsurah is a nature lover's paradise.
The Hugli River, beyond its economic and cultural significance, is a sight to behold. A sunset cruise along its tranquil waters, with the sky ablaze in hues of orange, pink, and purple, is an experience that will remain etched in your memory. The river is also home to a diverse ecosystem, with several species of birds, fish, and other aquatic life thriving in its waters.
Venture beyond the riverbanks and you'll discover a rural landscape that is both charming and serene. Lush green paddy fields stretch as far as the eye can see, interspersed with swaying sugarcane plantations and fruit orchards laden with mangoes, bananas, and guavas. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, the chirping of birds, and the gentle rustle of leaves, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Hugli Chinsurah experiences a tropical climate characterized by distinct seasons, each offering a unique perspective on the region's beauty. Whether you prefer the pleasant warmth of winter, the vibrant blooms of spring, the dramatic monsoon showers, or the lush greenery of post-monsoon, there's a perfect time to visit Hugli Chinsurah for every traveler. Spring, from March to May, brings with it a riot of colors as flowers bloom in abundance. Mango orchards are laden with fruits, their sweet aroma filling the air. The weather is warm and humid, but the occasional shower brings relief from the heat. Summer, from June to September, is characterized by the monsoon season. While the rains can be heavy at times, they also transform the landscape into a verdant paradise. Post-monsoon, from September to October, the weather is pleasant and the countryside is lush and green, making it another great time to visit. Winter, from November to February, is arguably the best time to explore Hugli Chinsurah. The weather is pleasantly cool and dry, ideal for sightseeing and outdoor activities. The skies are clear, offering stunning views of the river and the surrounding countryside. It's also the time for numerous festivals, adding a vibrant touch to the already festive atmosphere. Hugli Chinsurah is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, architectural marvels, and natural wonders, each with its own story to tell. Exploring these attractions is akin to taking a journey through time, unraveling the layers of history and culture that have shaped this fascinating district.
The Chinsurah Imambara, with its unique blend of Dutch and Mughal architecture, is arguably the most iconic landmark in Hugli Chinsurah. Built in 1861 by a wealthy Bengali merchant, the Imambara is a magnificent structure that reflects the syncretic culture of the region. Its soaring minarets, intricate stucco work, and grand courtyard are a testament to the architectural prowess of a bygone era.
No visit to Hugli Chinsurah is complete without experiencing the serenity of its numerous temples. The Kalna temples, a complex of intricately carved terracotta temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, are a sight to behold. Dating back to the 18th century, these temples are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship and religious significance. Another notable temple is the Chandaneshwar temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, known for its unique architecture and religious fervor. Hugli Chinsurah, a district where the echoes of history reverberate through colonial mansions, where the Hugli River flows with tales of empires and traders, and where the air is thick with the scent of mangoes and marigolds, extends an open invitation to the discerning traveller. It's a place where you can wander through the corridors of time, exploring Dutch cemeteries and Mughal fortifications, each whispering forgotten stories of a bygone era.
It's a place where you can witness the vibrant tapestry of Bengali culture, from the joyous celebrations of Durga Puja to the quiet devotion of pilgrims bathing in the sacred river.
Hugli Chinsurah is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left its charming embrace. It's a reminder that the most rewarding journeys are often those that lead us off the beaten path, to places where history, culture, and nature intertwine to create something truly special. So come, lose yourself in the enchanting embrace of Hugli Chinsurah and discover the magic that awaits you.